Math Module 4, Lesson 26. I can divide a unit fraction by a whole number. Make sure everything I do in the video you do in your workbook. Pause to catch up, rewind and rewatch. Anything to have success. Good luck. Problem number 1. Nolan gives some pans of brownies to his 3 friends to share equally. Ooh, I love the word equally. And I'm sharing with 3 friends. Part A. If he has 3 pans of brownies, how many pans of brownies will one friend get? So number of pans. All right. So I have 3 friends that I'm sharing my 3 brownies with. So 3 divided by 3 is 3/3, which we happen to know when the numerator matches the denominator, it's equal to 1 whole. So 1 pan of brownies. Part B. If he has 1 pan of brownies, how many pans of brownies will each friend get? So I have 1 pan divided by my 3 friends. So I need to figure out the number of pans one friend will get. So 1 divided by 3 we know is 1/3. And so it's going to be 1/3 of a pan of brownies. Part C. If he has 1/2 pan of brownies, how many pans, so number of pans, will one friend get? So I have 1/2 of a pan divided among my 3 friends. I'm going to model this one with a small tape diagram. So this is 1 pan. However, I only have 1/2 of a pan that I'm sharing with my friends. So there's my 1/2 a pan. I'm sharing it with 3 friends, but I have to do all of the units for the whole thing. So if I do 3 friends in the first half, I have to do 3 friends with the second half that has no brownies. So how much will each friend get? Well, this is just 1 out of how many pieces? 6. So 1/2 divided by 3 is 1/6. So let's prove that. I can know that 1/2 divided by 3 friends is also the same as 1/2 times 1/3. So it's kind of like I knew my friends were 1/3 of what I had. So 1/2 times 1/3, 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 3 is 6. So 1/6 of a pan. Part D, if he has 1/3 a pan of brownies, how many pans of brownies will each friend get? So I have 1/3 divided by my 3 friends. That's my pan. I forgot to label it. Well, so let's do a little tape diagram again. So here's my whole pan, but I'm only going to have 1/3 of it for brownies. And each of 1/3 has to be broken into my 3 friends. However, I can't just do that 1/3. I've got to do it among the part of the pan that doesn't have any brownies. So each friend's going to get 1 out of, well, how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1/3 divided by 3 is 1/9 of a pan. Well, let's show this using multiplication. I can do 1/3 times, well, my 3 friends. Each friend is 1/3. So 1/3 times 1/3. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 3 is 9. So I proved it taking the division and converting it to multiplication, as well as showing with a tape diagram. Problem number 2. I have 1/5 divided by 2. So with my tape diagram, I need to make it into fifths. And this whole thing is one whole. So here's my 1/5. Everything else is empty. And I need to take that 1/5 and divide it in half. But I can't just do it for the 1/5. I have to do it for the 2nd fifth and the 3rd fifth and the 4th fifth and the 5th fifth. So how much is this one piece? It's no longer 1 and out of 5. It's, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 1/10. Well, let's show this with multiplication. So I have 1/5 divided by 2. I can show this going 1/5 times 1/2, because I split each fifth in half. So 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 2 is 10. It's also taking the inverse of 2. So the inverse of 2 is 1/2, meaning the 2 becomes the denominator. And what was in the denominator becomes the numerator, which was that invisible 1. So 1/5 divided by 2 is equivalent to 1/5 times 1/2, which is equal to 1/10. Make sure you showed all your work. Problem number 3. If Melanie pours half a liter of water into 4 bottles, putting an equal amount in each, how many liters of water will be in each bottle? So, number of liters in one bottle. So I know I have a half a liter into 4 bottles. So this must be my total. And it says putting an equal amount in each. So let's draw a tape diagram. So here is my whole. This says I only have half. There's my half a liter. And it says I'm splitting it evenly between 4 bottles. There's my 4 bottles, but I can't just do 4 bottles on the left half. I have to do it 4 bottles on the empty half, which means there's no water. So that just helps me figure out how much the fractional part is for 1. So it's 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1/8 of a liter. Well, let's show this with division. So what I did is I had 1/2 my total divided by how many bottles I was splitting it up into. And what I realized is that was equal to 1/2 times the inverse of 4, which was 1/4. And so 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 4 is 8. So 1/8 of a liter. So let's write that in an answer statement, please. So 1/8 of a liter was in each bottle. Make sure you showed all your work.